Hello, everybody. Okay, so hilarious. I was just on, and I was on the boutiques page. I'm so sorry, you guys. If you are following the boutiques page, I am now live here. I am so sorry. I was started on the wrong page. You know, just one of those days. All right, so I am going to be doing, what I was saying is I found this really cute bread paddle, kitchen paddle at a, let me see if I can see comments too, at a friend's barn. It's called Bowden's Barns. If you are local to Suffolk, Virginia, or in that area, she's got a Facebook page, and she has a Picker's Delight barn, like literally just oodles and oodles of things. And I found this a couple weeks ago. It was a light wood, a light kind of pine, or I don't know what kind of, but very light. So I stained it because I wanted a deep, rich color. It is two-sided. I went ahead and stained both sides. And there's a little bit of a lip down here. So I'm going to do this side. Now, I may not like the way it turns out, but I have an idea in my head, so I'm going to go for it. I am using a retired transfer, and so please know that it is retired, and I am trying to find myself live here, you guys, so I can see comments, because sometimes my phone does not give me comments. Oh, here we are. Okay, so anyway, so if you guys are here and you enjoy crafting, or anybody else that you think would enjoy crafting, please sprinkle the love, which is SHARE, down in the corner, and I would appreciate it. All right, so let me see if I can see comments, because I'm not seeing them here. So if you guys are here, if somebody can say hello, and let me see if I see them on my phone, because I'm not immediately seeing them, which doesn't really mean anything these days. Okay, hold on. There we go. Oh, okay, Steph, I see you. Hi. All right, it's not showing up on my phone, but it is showing up on my iPad. So we're good to go. I will try my best to look and see the comments. So, all right, let's get, what I want to do is I want to kind of do a splatter paint technique on top of this breadboard or cutting board. I call it a breadboard because it almost looks like a pizza bread paddle or something. So that's what I'm going to call it. But I want to do, I'm going to choose like a fluff, which is like a creamy color. And I'm just going to literally splatter this on. And then I am going to use, this is a retired transfer, but I really just want to give you guys the idea and the concept. And I'm only going to do the measurements portion. I'm not, because I don't have enough room to do it all. I could do just the top part and just this, but I'd rather have the conversion of the measurements on there than the title. So, and if I don't like this side of it, you know what, you guys, I can restain it, repaint it, or do the other side, and it would be fine. So we're going to go for this, and we are going to try it and see if we can make something we like. So I've got my paintbrush here. I'm going to dip it in my water just a little bit. I want to get a little bit of the bristles, just a little wet here. Nothing too serious with it. Just give the, hey, Brooke. All right, now I'm starting to see. Okay, hi, Brooke. All right, so let me see if I can sort, because y'all's comments didn't even come up until, all right. Hi, Regina. Okay, you guys. All right, yay, I'm so glad you're here. All right, so I've got some paint, and you can use any type of paint. It can be chalk paint, it can be acrylic paint, it can be paint that you've cleaned the container, and that way it's easier to open. It can be really any paint, you guys. Okay, so this is just a nice, it looks white on camera, and it's very close to white, but it's got a hint of cream in it. So, all right, you guys, good thing is this paddle was fairly inexpensive. And so literally, I just want to get a nice kind of splattering of this paint on here. And it'll be heavier in some areas and not in others. And I know you guys are going, Mia, why did you stain it if you're going to paint it? Well, if you know me, I do like to then I do like to sandpaper it and bring some of those colors out. I've got a new distressing tool that I'm super excited about using, and so maybe I can use that a little bit on the corners. I mean, so many ideas, or so many different options, you know? And it's an old paddle, so I kind of want it to look, and I should probably have my cardboard underneath me here. I'm splattering paint everywhere. I don't want it to look perfect, but we have a lot of good transfers that would go on a surface like this, to be honest. But again, if you are local to the Hampton Roads, Suffolk area, Julie at Bowden's Barns is fantastic. If you like, oh, I'm splattering paint everywhere. If you like picking, what we call picking and going and buying old things, she is your girl. It's always fun to go into her barn and kind of see what you're gonna find. Do you have any pickers out there? Anybody enjoy that? Anybody enjoy picking and that sort of a thing? All right, so I am going to all right. Okay, you guys, so I've got a really nice kind of, and the point of this is to make it not look planned. Is that a good way of explaining that? I don't want it to look like I wanted a certain heaviness in one area and not the other, or what have you. But see how you can still see some of that wood stain that's coming through? If I had not stained it, then it would have been that light wood color coming through. And I wanted those deeper tones to kind of to hit it. So, all right, so what are you guys thinking so far? Are we good? All right, I am going to blow dry this really quick. I do choose to use chalk paint sometimes because it dries fast. And just like that, you guys, were pretty dry. So what have you guys been up to this long? Did everybody get a long holiday weekend, or at least longer than normal? We went and did Christmas tree shopping today. So several years ago, we converted to real trees. And so we went and got our tree today. And I'm so excited. It's really, really nice. I'm looking for my sanding block. Sorry, guys. It is not perfect, which I love. And, you know, kind of nice. We've got the lights on it already. Now we just got to put our ornaments. All right, I'm just going to sand this a little bit, mostly to try to get it smooth. And to kind of add another thing of distressing layer to it. Okay. Oh, why am I about to throw my sanding block away? Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, now I am going to wax just a little bit because it's a painted surface, and I don't want that paint to stick to the back of my transfer. So you guys have to tell me, are you decorating for Christmas yet? You guys got your trees up? Do you guys do more than one tree? We only do one tree. But I know I love seeing the pictures of people who choose to do like a tree in different rooms. I see this year there's a big trend even for doing bathrooms, like putting your decor up in the bathroom and stuff, the guest bathrooms, which is kind of fun actually. So festive and cheery. All right, so I've added, all right, I'm gonna let that sit for a second. Again, let's see here. Can I? All right, I am actually sprinkling it to my crafting group. If you guys are not a member of my Southern Willow Crafts group, it's a private crafting group, and a lot of times I will have specials and deals or extra fun projects and different things in there that I talk about. So if you want to just type the word, I think craft or VIP in the comments, and you should get a message with an invite. All right, okay. All right, guys, so this is what we're looking like. Okay, so this is what it started to look like, which is beautiful in itself. I love this dark wood stain. It's just so rich and beautiful. But I also like this. It's very kind of rustic, and it starts to bring some of those dark tones out. And because I'm going to be doing this transfer in black, it's not so brown. Does that make sense? Like, if I had just done it and then just decided to do it in cream or something, I may have, it may not have stood out as well. Okay, so I'm gonna have to, all right, let's see here. We're gonna have to pull this up. Woo, we are close. All right, I'm trying to make sure I'm pretty even. All right, I think I'm pretty even. So this is how easy and wonderful our transfers are. And like I said, this one is retired. You never know, they might bring it back out. They bring back retired transfers all the time. Well, a couple of times a year, not all the time. But it's one that I've used a lot, so it's starting to get its life cycle done. But every time I see a cutting board or anything like that, I just think this is the perfect one to use. All right, so I'm gonna take some of my black, paste. Ooh, that like rolled out. Okay, sorry. I had just stirred it. Of course, look at this. I can't do anything, right, guys? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's because I actually just microwaved it because it was very old paste. Like, I hadn't used black in a while, and it needed some stirring up. So I think I probably heated it up a little too much. We're gonna see how this goes, you guys. Oh my gosh. All right. That's a little trick. I actually kind of lost track of time when I was doing it because I got distracted. That never happens to you guys, right? You don't ever get distracted when you're in the middle of doing something. And I probably left it in the microwave a couple seconds too long. All right. And like I said, this transfer, the sticky it's there. It's just not as sticky as it was at one point. All right, guys, we're gonna pull this up. Fingers crossed, okay? I'm hoping that it turned out really nice and what's in my brain, because Lord knows that doesn't always happen. All right, we're gonna pull this up evenly. Oops, I missed a few little things up here. We can fix that. And that's the other great thing is if you're starting to pull it up and you see where you've missed or you haven't pushed hard enough to get it through, just lay it right back down. I mean, it dries quickly, but not as fast as you guys think it would. So you do have a second or two. Oh my gosh, you guys. A little bit of blurriness at the bottom, but not bad. All right, I'm gonna put that in water. It's one of our older transfers. They say our new transfers, don't let them soak in water. It'll pull that sticky out. It's got a new formula to it. So just set them to the side and then clean them when you're done. All right, let me close that up. And I'm gonna show this to you guys. I mean, truly, okay, I stained this the other day. It took me 5 minutes to stain it, okay? Now look at this. What do you guys think? Do you love it? I love this. You can tie a ribbon up here that matches the decor of your kitchen, whatever it is, but you've got this really cute transfer that has now been put on the cutting board to help you, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm constantly needing help with my kitchen conversion measurements, you know? All right, let me make sure I'm not missing any comments, but this was just a really, oh, I'm missing a ton of comments. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. Hi, Missy. Please don't burn down the house. I know, right? Oh my gosh, you know me so well. And Missy, your stuff is looking fantastic. I'm so inspired, and I might steal a couple of those designs. You never know.
Burn down the house.
Oh, my husband just probably goes, burn down the house. It can get me in trouble. They were joking because I said I microwaved my paste, and she was like, don't burn down the house. Yes. Oh, Steph, my Thanksgiving was really nice. I mean, for 2020 Thanksgiving, I got to visit my parents and my in-laws. So that was really nice. I couldn't have asked for a more relaxed, nice Thanksgiving. I hope yours was too. Hi, Brooke. I think I already said, hey, Adele, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Oh my gosh, I know, Missy, right? This transfer is so, I hope they bring it back, because I think this is the only one I have. And so, yeah. Looks nice with the dark in the background. Thanks, Steph. I agree. I love it, you guys. Like I said, easy peasy, really quick. What a great gift. To let you guys know, I have started a Shopify account. Now, there's not a lot on it right now. It's just my November Little Fits onesie club. My December design's coming out soon. I can't wait to show you guys what that is. But I am going to start adding a lot of my products onto that website. It's southernwillowcrafting.com. I'll post it in here, you guys. It's new, sorry. But anyways, I really appreciate you guys joining me tonight. I hope that you have a fantastic week. We're heading into December, and please stay safe, and reach out to me if you guys have any questions whatsoever. If you want to join my VIP group, just type the word VIP, which is really just a crafting group, in the comments. Or if you have any questions and want to join my team or anything else, just holler out at me, and I would appreciate it. All right, everybody, have a wonderful evening. And I don't think I'm missing any other comments. I think we're okay. Gotta love Facebook and telling me like comments in bulk here. Oh, it was relaxing. I spent the day with my nephews. Oh, Missy, that's a great idea to hang measuring spoons up at the top. Love that idea. See, this is why I go live. You guys have so many better ideas than I do. So I appreciate that. Thank you. All right. And thanks, Adele. I appreciate you joining in, girl. All right. So if anybody has any questions, or if more pop up that I didn't see, I'll try to answer them. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Happy crafting and chalking. Bye.